Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. In a recent interview, actor Vivek Oberoi opened up about his views on nepotism, which has been tremendously being spoken of in the recent days. Now, the actor said that, do you think it's okay to sideline actors just because they are related to someone in the industry? According to Vivek Oberoi, an actor can be some superstar's child or a complete newcomer. End of the day, all that matters is if you have the talent in you or not. And it's the audience who decides whether or not you have it in you or no. The Narcotics Control Bureau on Friday filed a 11,700 pages charge sheet before a special court in the drugs case related to actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Now, the charge sheet named about 33 accused, including his girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother Shovik Chakrabarti. In fact, the charge sheet accuses Chakrabarti of being part of a drug syndicate and even claims that she was a part of a conspiracy to procure and supply drugs. The charge sheet even includes statements of about 200 witnesses, including actresses Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor and others. Actor Kangana Ranaut, who recently wrapped shoots for her films Thalaivi and Dhakad, has already begun shooting for her upcoming project Tejas. And not just that, she has even wrapped the first shoot schedule in Mumbai, and now the actor will be moving to locations in Delhi and Rajasthan for her other schedules. In fact, in this Sarvesh Mewara directorial, Kangana will be essaying the role of an Indian Air Force pilot. On the 20th birthday of Ibrahim Ali Khan, father Saif Ali Khan hosted a birthday bash which included many who's who of Bollywood. Now, from sister Sara Ali Khan to Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan to Alaya F and many other star kids attended the party. Actor Taapsee Pannu, whose residence is being searched for the last 3 days, along with filmmaker Anurag Kashyap and others, recently took to Twitter to react to it and pointed out 3 reasons why her house is being searched. Pointing the reasons, the actress claimed that she is being searched for the keys of the alleged bungalow that she owns in Paris. Secondly, for the alleged receipt worth 5 crore rupees, and thirdly, for her memory of 2013 raid that happened with her, according to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Actor Janhvi Kapoor is celebrating her 24th birthday today ahead of her film Ruhi's release, which will be hitting the screen on the 11th of March. Now, the actor is in talks for her amazing dance performances in her recently released songs from the film that also features actors Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma. Ruhi is said to be the second installment in producer Dinesh Vijan's horror universe. In a recent press conference, Bigg Boss 14 contestant, actor and dancer Rakhi Sawant spoke about Rahul Mahajan and said that he is nothing without his surname. In fact, Rahul and Rakhi, who called each other their friends in the house, ended their journey on a very bad note. And now Rakhi Sawant calls him a zero, while she claimed that she respects his parents and sister. Sandalwood star and KGF fame Yash's video with his son Yatharv has gone viral on social media with over 1.5 million views in just a few hours since it was uploaded. Now, Yash took to his Instagram to share a video with his son where he was playing with him while Yatharv was stressing on a word trying to tell his father about aeroplane. When Yash couldn't understand, Yatharv explained it in another way. Actor Ileana D'Cruz recently revealed about dealing with body dysmorphia, a mental health condition where you cannot stop thinking about one or more perceived defects or flaws in your appearances. Now, speaking of the same, the actress said now she makes sure to find at least one feature about herself every day that makes her like her more, and this is how she is dealing with this condition. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.